With 360 videos, we can immerse ourselves in exciting environments and experiences, such as extreme sports and tourism. 360 video players are designed for a single user, with a head-mounted display or gyroscope control, or with a drag interface. We designed a study to see how pairs would view 360 videos together. They watched a 14-minute video tour of our campus. In each pair, one participant was familiar with campus while the other was not. The participant familiar with campus would provide an audio accompaniment to the video. We recruited 16 pairs of participants to take this tour. We gave them 2 iPads and watched them as they used the gyroscopic interface and drag interface. We saw that participants who did not know campus well, who we call new students, generally really liked to look around. The freedom to explore the environment was something they took advantage of. Of interest here is how this contrasted the tour guide, who generally focused on the forward direction of the video. In this clip, notice how the new student is almost literally spinning around his chair as he goes on tour. We saw this behavior regardless of the interface. In this clip, notice that the new student on the right is panning around the interface using his fingers. Since we were viewing this at about 10 times speed, his fingers simply appear to be twitching. In one case, we observed a pair engaging in what we called synchronized viewing. Here, the new student on the right follows the tour guide's body movements, which she tracks with her peripheral vision. This allows them to be viewing the same thing together, but was only something we saw with the gyroscopic interface. In the more general case, participants would be looking at different things throughout the tour. The problem was that they had a hard time knowing what the other was looking at. In this case, we see both the new student on the left and the tour guide on the right looking at one another's screens. This helps them establish a joint understanding of what each is talking about to ensure the tour is smooth. We also observed many instances where participants would gesture at one another's screens to point out objects or to refer to things. In this case, the tour guide on the right ultimately just reaches over and pans the new student's screen to the right location so he can see what it is that she's been talking about.